You can make anybody the captain. That doesn't mean that the rest of the 10 players will start performing differently. And if that has to happen, then I think we're in a very bad zone or a wrong place. I'm not saying that nobody can become captain. It's not a permanent position for anyone. You always walk into a team until unless I think there was one New Zealand captain who was Lee Germon, if I remember correctly, walked into a New Zealand team straight away as a captain, wicketkeeper captain. Other than that, I don't. I think everybody walks into a team as a player, and then they progress to a vice captain and captain. I'm not saying that nobody can become captain. And if captaincy is the solution, then I think in every series we should keep changing captains if that is the way that we are
Our
going
women's
to
team
get
is doing
results.
so well. Yeah. Under Harmanpreet, we are doing so well.
So then why are we talking of a change? See, split captaincy, I don't think we've ever practiced it. And I possibly understand where your question is stemming from. So I will not go into the goods or not so goods of split captaincy because we haven't tried it enough, especially in the men's team. Sorry, or even in the women's team to know that split captaincy works or doesn't work. Number one. Number two is I don't think we have such luxuries, do we, in the women's team? We don't. Uh, Now, coming to the performance part, it is very fair for ourselves to expect our team to win a World Cup every time they step onto the park. But as I've always believed, that it doesn't happen every time. Even if our will is there, is our training up to the mark? Is our skill level up to the mark? Is collectively in the team, every player there to deliver the optimum level of performance? Let's just go back to the 25 World Cup. We didn't have a 13th player in this Indian team. We had to get Shefali Verma, who was playing domestic cricket in Surat or Baroda, I think in Surat, and she had to come in and walk in straight away into the playing 11. So we didn't even have a 13th player in this team who could walk in and replace an injured Pratika Rawal. We had to get a player from outside. In the T20 format also, players who are there playing, I don't think everybody on a normal day, if there are no injuries to this team, I don't think many players in this team will find a place even in the 15. So let's be realistic that first we have to make a very strong 11 before I go to the 15. Let's make a very strong 11 or to, have a team which is good enough to compete in all conditions against all oppositions, or maybe a strong 12, depending upon the number of seam bowlers or spinners. We're obviously we're lacking in the pace department. We are lacking options in the spin department. Presently, there is Sneh, there is Deepti, there is Charni. On the fringes is Radha. We are lacking batting in the middle order. We are lacking batting options in the top order. So there are a lot of areas that we are a very much a work in progress team. Yes, we have good players, but we are looking at players if you're wanting to win World Cups or we're wanting to win championships, we have to have options. One player gets injured, we are looking for options and we have to wait for somebody to come from outside. So let's start strengthening the bases first. And as I said, when I take a step back and I understand how does that happen, it has to happen from a very junior most age group cricket, how we go out there and play junior cricket, and how we progress to the senior format. And it's not just about the administration; it's also about the players. They must be well aware as to what are they competing for and what are they preparing for. It's not just about getting an Indian cap. We've had many Indian caps being given out, but where are they? What have they done? Are they doing enough in domestic cricket to be even counted by the selectors to be picked for an Indian team? So there are lot many areas where we needed to strengthen rather than just pick up a discussion which is going around and saying change this, change that, change this, change that. I mean, it was a very nice caption in another part of the world. Change is very constant, which is very nice. But we are talking about an Indian team right now. It's always good to know what is the reality and how can we get the better of the results in the near future.